Imagine a future where robots can learn and adapt in real time, revolutionizing industries like manufacturing and logistics. Welcome to Gemini Robotics 2, a groundbreaking innovation that brings whole-body intelligence to robots. This technology is set to change the game, with a 3 times increase in efficiency. Right now, the current state of robotics is limited by a robot's ability to understand its environment and make decisions. This has hindered the widespread adoption of robots in various industries. But with Gemini Robotics 2, developed by Google DeepMind, robots can now learn and adapt like never before. This innovation has the potential to save companies like Amazon and FedEx around 40 hours per week in workflow, which is a significant breakthrough. So how does it work? Gemini Robotics 2 uses a combination of machine learning algorithms and computer vision to enable whole-body intelligence in robots. This means robots can understand their environment and make decisions in real time, making them more efficient and effective. The system has been tested in various environments, and the results are promising. It's a potential game changer for the robotics industry. According to Google DeepMind, Gemini Robotics 2 is a significant improvement over its predecessor, with a 3 times increase in efficiency. This can lead to significant cost savings for companies that adopt this technology. From a technical perspective, Gemini Robotics 2 is a major achievement. It uses machine learning algorithms and computer vision to enable robots to learn from their environment and adapt to new situations. This is a big deal, as previous robots were limited by their inability to learn and adapt. The technical implications are significant. Robots can now perform tasks that were previously impossible, like navigating complex environments and performing tasks that require a high degree of dexterity. Developers will need to understand the technical implications of Gemini Robotics 2 and how it can be integrated into their workflows. This may require some significant changes, but the potential benefits are substantial. The impact of Gemini Robotics 2 on the industry will be significant. Companies that adopt this technology will see significant increases in efficiency and productivity, leading to cost savings and increased competitiveness. Companies like Amazon and FedEx will likely be among the first to adopt Gemini Robotics 2, as they can benefit from the increased efficiency and productivity it offers. On the other hand, companies that don't adapt to this new technology may be left behind, struggling to compete with companies that have adopted Gemini Robotics 2. The winners will be companies that can quickly adapt and integrate this technology into their workflows. I believe Gemini Robotics 2 is a game changer for the robotics industry. It has the potential to revolutionize the way robots are used in various industries, from manufacturing to logistics. While there are potential risks, like job displacement, I think the benefits outweigh the risks. The increased efficiency and productivity Gemini Robotics 2 offers can lead to significant cost savings and increased competitiveness for companies that adopt it. And let's not forget the potential for Gemini Robotics 2 to create new job opportunities in fields like robotics development and maintenance. It's substantial. Overall, I think Gemini Robotics 2 is a groundbreaking innovation that will have a significant impact on the robotics industry. So, will Gemini Robotics 2 live up to its promise? Only time will tell, but one thing is for sure.